Ever wonder if a cat could be both asleep and awake at the same time? Welcome to the crazy world of quantum mechanics. This is physics on a micro scale, where minute entities like atoms and particles defy norms. It's like a baffling game where a cat is simultaneously asleep and awake until someone decides to take a peek. It's a realm where standard rules just don't cut it. But hold on to your hats, because this is just the beginning of our quantum quest. Imagine you're trying to watch a tiny, speedy ant. Now imagine trying to figure out where it's going and how fast at the same time. Tough, isn't it? This is what Heisenberg's uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics is all about. It's like trying to catch a slippery fish with your hands. You can either know where it is or how fast it's going, but not both at the same time. Ever heard of a long-distance friendship where changes happen instantly, no matter how far apart? This is what quantum entanglement is all about. Imagine two magic, they meet, interact, and then roll their separate ways. But here's the catch. They're now forever linked. If something happens to one die, the other instantly responds, regardless of the distance between them. It's like they're sharing an invisible, instantaneous line of communication. How? It's one of quantum mechanics' many mysteries. It's the ultimate friendship, where two dice are forever rolling the same number, no matter how far apart they are. Now you might be thinking, what does this have to do with me? You'd be surprised. Quantum mechanics is like the secret sauce in everyday stuff like supermarket scanners and internet cables. It's what makes your computer and smartphone work. And it's going to power the super-duper computers of the future. So next time you use your phone or watch a DVD, remember you've got quantum mechanics to thank for that. Let's break it down into simpler terms, shall we? Imagine if you could be in two places at once. Wouldn't that be cool? Well, that's what particles can do in the quantum world. Now, have you ever heard of Schrödinger's cat? Think of it as a surprise box. You don't know what's inside. Maybe it's a toy, maybe it's a fluffy kitten, until you open it. That's what we call the uncertainty principle. And lastly, quantum entanglement. It's like two best friends who can feel each other's emotions no matter how far apart they are. And that, kids, is quantum mechanics made simple.